Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My topic is for class 7th. Subject is geography. Dear students, as you know, yesterday we started our new topic, human environment, settlement, transport and communication. Today our topic is transport. My dear students, as we all know that earlier man has no means of transport. He used to travel either on foot or with the help of animals to transport things from one place to another. But while growing population and increased number of rural and urban settlements, the need for carrying goods and people from one place to another also grew, and that was the demand for transport. That increased the demand for transport. Earlier man used to walk or transport goods by foot or by animals. But when with the increased number of settlements, rural or urban settlements, the means for transport came into place, and with the discovery of wheel, transport was much easier and gradually different means of transport developed. Now, what are those means of transport? Means of transport. There are four major means of transport. One is roadways. Second is waterways. Third is railways. And fourth one is airways. First is roadways. My dear students, as we know, roads are the most universal mode of transport, as it gives us door-to-door service. They are the fastest and most commonly used means of transport goods. Roads are the universal mode of transport. People transport goods and people transport goods and travel in short distances in this roadways means of transport. Short distances. People transport goods and people walk from one place to another in this roadways type mean of transport in short distances. Now there is another means of transport, that is waterways. Waterways are the oldest and all the cheapest means of transport. The goods are transported from one country to another in this waterways. International trade is carried mainly on waterways. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, एक कंट्री से, एक मुल्क से दूसरी मुल्क तक चीज़ें पहुंचाई जाती हैं थ्रू वाटरवेज, थ्रू शिप्स. जो समंदरी जहाज होते हैं वो वाटरवेज में आते हैं. नाउ रेलवेज आर द फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. Means of land transport. They are very suitable for long distance traveling. As we read, roads are the short distance traveling, and these railways are for long distance traveling. They are cheapest means of transport for transporting heavy goods and raw materials over long distances. For transporting heavy goods, for transporting heavy goods and raw materials for long distances. ये जो रेलवेज है इसमें ये फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट है. इसमें चीज़ें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंचाई जाती हैं. जो हैवी लोड से भरी हुई ट्रकें होती, ये ट्रेनें होती है, वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, एक स्टेट से दूसरी स्टेट तक ये चीज़ें या रॉ मटेरियल्स पहुंचाते हैं. सो दिस इज द लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो हमने पढ़ा रोडवेज, वाटरवेज, रेलवेज, एयरवेज हम कल पढ़ेंगे. सो दिस वॉज all about transport, that after the invention of wheel, transport became much easier. So before the invention of wheel, earlier man couldn't use this means of transport. He used to walk through foot or through animals like bull, like horse, like camels, etc. This is all for today. Thank you.